All right, let's talk about what's really happening in the GTA right now because the January real estates are finally out. A massive spike in new listings. Sales are down, but prices are holding steady. What does this mean for you as a buyer, seller, or investor? Well, let's break it down. And the very first thing we're going to talk about is the big trend right now, which is listings are up 49%. In January alone, we had over 12,000 new listings hit the market. That's a huge increase from last year. More homes on the market mean buyers have more options and sellers are facing more competition. So, why is this even happening? A lot of sellers were holding off in 2024, waiting for better conditions, and now they're finally making a move before interest rates shift, potentially for the worst or better. We don't know yet. The uncertainty around that. So on top of that, it's the usual seasonal trend of inventory starts to ramp up heading into the spring market. So let's be honest. Some people just need to sell. Some are downsizing, relocating, or just trying to get ahead of the potential market changes and uncertainty in the real estate market right now. Now, on the flip side of things, sales are actually down 9% with only a little under 4,000 home sales in January. So fewer buyers are actually pulling the trigger last month. And a big reason for that, well, everyone's waiting on interest rate cuts. The Bank of Canada has already signaled that rate drops are coming in 2025, more of them, but smart buyers aren't waiting on the sidelines. Because here's the thing. More listings right now mean better negotiation power for buyers. The second rates start to actually come down even more, we're going to start seeing more demand flood back in. That's what usually happens. And competition is going to ramp up pretty fast. So now, the most important thing, let's take a look at what the prices are doing based on these sales and listings. So home prices are actually holding pretty steady at about $1,040,000 on average across the entire GTA. There hasn't been any big jumps, no major drops, and that tells us one thing, that the market isn't crashing, it's adjusting. So with more inventory and stable prices, this is sharpening up to be more of a balanced market, which is something almost everybody has been hoping for and waiting for a while now. So what actually happens next? Well, here's a few things. Interest rates, all signs point to the Bank of Canada making cuts this year, more of them. And when that happens, buyer activity is most likely going to ramp up. Another thing, the uncertainty around the potential new tariffs on March 1st. If those actually do get introduced, well, construction costs could rise, making new home sales or new home development way more expensive and pushing more buyers towards the resale properties. And looking at 2025 projections, most experts agree we'll see moderate price growth, nothing crazy, and a pickup in sales activity as interest rates actually ease and confidence returns to buyers. So, what should you do? If you're a buyer, right now you have the most negotiating power we've seen in quite a while with this many listings on the market. More inventory means less competition, and once rates drop, the floodgates are going to open for other buyers to come in as well. So, if you're a seller, the most important thing you can do strategically is pricing. So with more competition, homes that are actually priced right and secondly marketed well are still selling fast. Guys, I hope you found this very valuable. If you're thinking about buying, if you're thinking about selling over the next 6 to 12 months, and you want to make sure that you're making the right move and it's the right time, let's connect. I'm always happy to chat and help you navigate the market. Looking forward to connecting soon. Have an amazing day.